Meaning of gunky.
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 Gunky. The term gunky generally refers to something that is sticky, messy, or covered in grime or unpleasant substances. When an object or surface is covered in gunk, it can be difficult to clean or use properly. Gunky substances can also emit unpleasant odors and cause health hazards if left unchecked. Examples of things that might be described as gunky include oily machinery parts, dirty dishes, clogged drains, and even people suffering from excessive sweating. Overall, the term gunky suggests a state of uncleanliness or disrepair that requires attention and maintenance.